Hi everyone, my name is Bonnie White and I'm your child's Algebra 1 teacher. I just wanted to let you know that we're starting to prepare for final exams already. I know it seems early, but we have only 4 weeks left of the semester. So today, your child received in class a packet that is designed to help them start preparing for the final. It is 4 pages or 4 weeks worth of material in the packet, and you can see it says week one at the top, and then it's divided up by day, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on the back we have Thursday, Friday, and then a weekend task. And basically what this is designed to do, let me give you a close-up look of it. What it's designed to do is give your child something small and easy to work on a day-by-day basis instead of asking them to cram for this final exam at the very end of the semester, which usually kind of induces some panic and some stress. So if they can study a little bit each day leading up to the final, then they're going to be far more prepared than if they cram the night before. So you can see it says across the top Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There's 3 or 4 questions per day. And then the Saturday, Sunday task is more of a to do where it's something like organizing a binder or setting up a study date, checking with the teacher to see what study times are available, things like that. It's just something to keep them organized, keep them working for a little bit each day, leading all the way up to that final exam. At the very end of the packet, there is a key. So you can see there's a key for weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's lots of stuff for them to study from. I always ask them to use their notes, use their binders to check back in on stuff that maybe they weren't sure about, come in and ask questions. But it's really not, this packet is not something that I'm going to collect from them. It's just something that I've given to them as an option for studying. So it's not for a grade. It's not something really that I'm ever necessarily going to see from them again, which is why I'm reaching out to you. It's my hope that between the two of us, we can encourage them to really use this packet, do 5, 10 minutes worth of work a day, whether it's at home or in their study hall, whenever it is, just doing a little bit at a time is going to make final exam week um, far more manageable and less stressful than if we crammed the night before. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out via email, Schoology, or give me a call. And I really look forward to helping your kids be successful. It's been a great semester. I'm looking forward to the next one.